Hollardops mesocristata, a journey through time with a 407-million-year-old trilobite. Hidden in the rocky heart of Morocco lies a window to an ancient world, a world ruled not by giants, but by armored arthropods that roamed the seas long before dinosaurs walked the earth. This is Hollardops mesocristata, a 407-million-year-old masterpiece of natural preservation, frozen in time with astonishing clarity. Join us as we unravel the secrets of this Devonian marvel, explore its origins, and discover why this trilobite is a crown jewel for both scientists and collectors alike. Let's rewind the clock to the lower Devonian period, 407 million years ago. The continents are unrecognizable. Vast, warm, shallow seas cover what is now North Africa. Here, in the Tazarulite Formation of Morocco, Hollardops mesocristata thrived, a sleek, segmented predator scavenging the ocean floor. But how did this creature survive the eons in such pristine condition? Buried suddenly by fine sediment, perhaps a storm or underwater landslide, this trilobite was protected from scavengers and mineralization. The result? A natural 3D fossil, free from restoration, with every spine, segment, and eye lens intact. A rarity in paleontology. Let's dissect this ancient marvel. Notice the compound eyes, hundreds of hexagonal lenses preserved in limestone. These eyes gave Hollardops a mosaic view of its world, detecting movement and shadows to evade predators like giant sea scorpions. And here, the raised glabella, that central ridge, housed its stomach. The spiny thoracic segments allowed it to curl into a protective ball, much like modern pill bugs. But what makes this specimen extraordinary? Look closer. No glue. No paint. This is 100% natural preservation, a death pose, frozen mid-crawl. Such detail offers scientists clues about its behavior, environment, and even the chemistry of Devonian seas. Today, this trilobite's journey ends in the Taharajat area of Jebel Afatin, Morocco, a hotspot for Devonian fossils. The region's unique geology transforms ancient seafloors into limestone time capsules. But uncovering them is no easy feat. Miners and preparators work meticulously, often risking damage to extract these fragile fossils. For every perfect Hollardops found, dozens fragment, making this specimen a true rarity. Why does this trilobite matter? For scientists, it's a pristine data point, untouched by restoration, offering pure insights into Devonian life. For collectors, it's living art, a tangible connection to Earth's deep past. And for all of us, it's a reminder of life's resilience. Trilobites ruled the seas for 270 million years, until vanishing in Earth's second worst mass extinction. Yet here, in stone, their legacy endures. This Hollardops mesocristata isn't just a fossil. It's a story, written in stone, waiting 407 million years to be told. A story of survival, chance, and the quiet beauty of life's unbreakable bond with Earth. Want to hold history in your hands? Explore the links below to learn about fossil collecting, or dive deeper into Morocco's paleontological wonders. And remember, every rock has a story. You just have to look closely.